Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do another starter deck video. My apologies. We're doing starter deck Joey versus starter deck Pegasus. Okay, wait, what? Oh yeah, he does play a fusion deck. The first deck in Yu-Gi-Oh! To ever have an extra deck put in to it. So yeah. So we're doing starter deck Pegasus versus starter deck Kaiba. Starter deck Joey. You can obviously see which one I'm playing. I know these decks are pretty bad. Also, I played 2 of these because I somehow messed up. That was cool. Would have been better if I had a... No, thank you. Oh, wait. Okay, so I cannot use that on my monster. That would have been good. That would have been really good. Wait, why is hers 41 and why is mine 50 card deck? That is so weird. Why did they do that? Talk about consistency. Unless she forgot to put cards in.
Nope.
Eek. Nope. Nope. Nice ball. Oh, right. Never mind. That hang. Later. Well, I have a really bad feeling about this. I can't even imagine what I need to draw to make this a good hand. It's one thing that would make this better. And it's one of. So, I don't know. Drawing something I could play would be nice. No. If you can't tell, hon, I bricked. Is she gonna negate it or something? Can you even negate it? Wait, why?
Well, that was pointless. Okay.
Since you first tried, I might as well make a monster's defense weaker. That was a combo back in the day. Use a card like reverse trap to... Tell you what, she got extremely lucky. I know what I need. Hopefully I can draw it before I lose. I like these duels. These are fun. Just playing starter decks and structure decks and whatnot. I might, after we go through all of the structure decks, see which one's won and just like make a tournament out of it. Man, that's close. Seriously? Luckily, Mirror Force is in this deck. By the way, Mirror Force was not in this deck. It hadn't had a reprint yet.
I had a handful of spells.
I had a whole.
Giant tornado you.
I had a whole handful of Toon Monks that needed tributes.
Oh.
Oh, excuse me. I'm drinking water because I was working out earlier and I'm hot. Water's nice. Nice ice water. So, wait. It didn't play Mountain?
Yes, it did. It was on the list.
Was it?
Yeah.
A 2,000 point level 4 monster. Even as a vanilla, that's pretty busted. What? What's wrong? Babe. Baby. Babe, what's wrong? She's getting back because she saw what I searched. Aw, that's cute. Seven Tools actually used to be pretty good. I think Chapel actually used to be good too. Okay. I don't know what the point of that was. I wonder if she has a hand trap or not. Creeble actually was out at the time, and technically Creeble is a hand trap. Yeah, it goes back. I figured why destroy it when I could take it and do a little bit of damage. Ooh, excuse me. Yes, I will manage it like that. Shit. Get that thing out of here. I do not need that 2,000 beetle on the field. Really? I probably should have done targeted that so I can see it. But why when I can definitely destroy something? I highly doubt that I'm gonna deck out, but I can always just use it to destroy some powerful spell cards that are in that deck. Ooh! 2 of the 3 cards! That's 60. That's 650 attack. OMG. What could she activate? Odin off. I see. Which I just gave her a monster. Genius voice, genius. What is her attack points?
900.
Nope. No, thank you on that replay. I will pass. Now he's in attack mode. Great. Jeez, that's actually pretty good. The problem is how it's going to do damage. But for 1400 more, you could have played Dance the Loop, which was a lot better because it's 1400. And it mills a card as well. Wait, how is it you could play those, but it won't let me play? That's weird. Wait, why would you do that? It made your monsters weaker. My mermaid. My mermaid. It's good that they let you play that version. I wanted to play 4 a couple cards, but they wouldn't let me. Really? First trap again?
Yeah.
Okay. That's really good for like if you have a high defense monster. They can't attack anything else except for the defense monster that they can't attack because it has too much attack points. Or too much defense points to get over. There was stupid combos back in the day with this shit. The reason I kept putting it in my hand and not set it was that I don't. It's more likely that he this cards one of these cards I don't want like that. So now she has a 50-50 chance of hitting the card I want. I don't like those odds. But they're better odds than no hitting, making sure she hits that. I need something to defend me really bad right now. So, there we go. She's using the white hat to take away all my resources. Most unfortunate. Good news is I just got a chat pack, which means that she has a 75% chance of hitting the card that I don't want her to hit. Hey, it worked. She didn't hit the card I didn't want her to hit. Oh my gosh, really? And this deck sucks so bad. They played so many bricks. It sucks. I don't know why I'm not getting to any of my fucking low level monsters. There's so many of them in this deck. Oh, that's game, I think. Yep. I would attack with the weaker two first, then the other one. Just do a little bit extra damage, you know? Yeah. What laughing she at? It always hits the center card, I noticed. It's weird. Good game.
Good game.
Yeah, I can't get into anything. I couldn't get into any of my cards, which is weird, so.
It didn't help that I kept seeing your cards figured.
No, that ain't. That's not what you want. I literally couldn't. I kept drawing a handful of high-level monsters. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe. Know what you think in the comments below. I will catch you guys later. This is TheJinzo saying out. Bye.